In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a text behind a person or an object. As a first step, we will add the text in the video. Tap on New Project and select the video in which you want to add the text. Tap on Add and the video will be added to the project. To add a text, tap on Text at the bottom, then Add Text and write any word you want. In my case, the lady is doing exercise, so I am going to write exercise. Click OK. As you can see, the duration of the text is not matching to the video. To match it, you can scroll the options at the bottom and then tap on Lasting Text button. And as you can see, the duration of the text is matching to the video now. Let's change the font of the text, so go to Style option. Very first tab is Fonts and then select any font you want. I am going to select Resolve. To increase the size of the text, drag the bottom right corner like this. Then to add animations, go to the Animations tab. I am going to add in and out animation as a slide down, but you can select any other animation you want. So both animations have been added. Click OK. And to export the video, tap on 1080p. Here you can change the export settings. I am just going to increase the frame rate to 60. Tap on Export button at the top right corner. The video will be exported. Click on Done button. Again, create a new project by tapping on New Project button. Select the video without the text first and then second video which we just exported with the text. Tap on Add button and both videos will be added to the project. Select the video which does not have the text and at the bottom you will see the option called Overlay. Tap on that. Now this video is on top of the video which has the text, so if you preview, you are not able to see any text. And to make the text visible, we need to remove the background from this video, and for that, if you scroll the options at the bottom, you will see Remove BG button. Tap on it, tap on Auto Removal, and then it will automatically detect the person or an object in the video and remove the background. Click OK, and if you play the video now or preview it, then you can see the text is behind the person who is doing the exercise, and this effect really looks cool with the animation. To export the video, tap on 1080p, increase the frame rate to 60, tap on Export button at the top right corner and the video will be exported. If you like this tutorial, then please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. In the comment section you can write for which app or for which topic I should create the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, stay safe and stay healthy.